Hello, it's Patrick here from the GarageBandGuide.com. One of GarageBand for iOS's frequently overlooked features, the sampler is a fantastic tool that you can use to turn practically any sound into a melody. Capturing sounds using your iPad or iPhone's built-in microphone couldn't be easier, and the sampler also allows you to import tracks and sounds from GarageBand's Loop library, the Files app, and from your iTunes library. Here's how. If this is your first time here and you want to master GarageBand, improve your music, and learn all other manner of GarageBand related stuff, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. When you first open the sampler, you'll be prompted to point your iPad or iPhone towards a sound you want to record and then tap start. Doing this will begin recording. Hit the big red stop button when you're done. Oh! Once you've recorded your sample or tap the My Samples button, you'll be taken to the editing screen. Here you can play with the sound you've recorded, import and edit stock or saved samples, and bring tracks from your iTunes library into your project. Some of the buttons and switches here will definitely be familiar to you, with many of GarageBand's other touch instrument controls being present. As for the other controls and options that you'll find at the top of the screen, the pitch wheel allows you to affect the pitch of your sample during playback or while recording in real time. Like the pitch wheel, the modulation wheel will add expression and change the sound of your sample during playback or while recording in real time. Tapping the New Sample button will take you back to the recording screen. Tapping My Samples will open the sample selection menu, allowing you to import pre-made samples or samples that you've saved previously. Tapping Trim, Tune, or Shape will open the corresponding editing window. The Trim tab, which is the default, allows you to crop the length of your sample. Tune allows you to adjust the tuning and pitch of your sample. And Shape allows you to change the volume of your sample over time. Tapping Rev will reverse your sample, and Loop will, as you might imagine, loop it. As I mentioned previously, you can import sounds into GarageBand's sampler from the Loop library, your Files app, and from your iTunes library as well. From the recording screen, tap Import. A menu will appear allowing you to import from GarageBand's Loop library, from your iDevice's Files app, or from your iTunes library. Once imported, you can now edit and play with these imported tracks and sounds to your heart's content. And there you have it, everything you need to get going with GarageBand for iOS's sampler. I've been Patrick from the GarageBandGuide.com. and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.